Hey, so we're loaded with the 325 right now, taking it down the street. Got it all loaded up, chained down. Go ahead and run it with no flags, no banners. It's not even going half a mile. I want to show you guys real quick. I'm waiting for a 2-foot bucket that they can't find. This machine has 3 buckets and the wheel. And for some reason, they can't find the 2-footer, but I asked them what happened. No one seems to know anything. That's what happens around here. All right, an update on that 2-foot bucket I was looking for yesterday from the 325. The one that got hit that no one knows about. How it got hit, when it got hit, where it got hit. It's been on one fucking job and no one wants to admit who hit it or whatever. Besides the point, the 2-foot bucket's been missing. It was on that job, so no one has a clue either where it's at. I got a picture yesterday that I thought they found it. It was a picture on the job. Well, come to find out, I come in 6 in the morning, I'm looking for the bucket. I'm going through the streets where I thought they took the picture, which is not there. So I said maybe they moved it to the actual job, which is streets up, but it's not just a street over. You got to go through all kinds of streets to get there. So anyway, I did all the streets, I couldn't find it. My boss calls me and says, hey, did you find the bucket? I said, no, I thought I knew where it was at. I have no fucking idea where it's at, but you need to tell these guys, grab it with the loader and take it to the job originally the way I had said, but I figured I'll help out and just grab it this morning. But where was that picture taken? He goes, well, the picture was taken when they had it down there. So I'm like, okay, that was like 2 months ago when it was down there in front of the Connex. So why the fuck would he send you the picture? That's like me sending a picture when I first started this job. And that bucket in the yard and just taking a picture. I'm like, oh, there it is. Like, what type of shit is that? So I did have to come to this other job here. Originally, the way we planned, that 321, we put the motor in. 2 hours on the job with the new motor in. Fucked up. Why? I don't know. I couldn't tell you, but that's what's going on here. So we are going to take this 2-footer right here, throw it in the end dump. We're gonna have to grab one of these machines. I'm thinking I'm gonna track the 325 over here so I don't struggle. And that's what we're gonna do. But man, that's some fucking bullshit, I think. So let's get that machine over here and throw it in. Should just take their truck and trailer, fucking take it in that. But, keyword of the day, but. Needs a washing again. Needs a washing. Go ahead and push that in right now. One hand, go up a little more. It's enough to close the door. There we go, right there. That's it. Riggers up. It. Got lucky with that one. Dragging a chain. If I could get this hook back up with one hand. One-handed, okay? Give me a break. go ahead and leave it like that. The reason why I did connect it is because I do want to put this pin back in. God, that's a tough fucking pin. Otherwise, you don't put these back in, you lose them. They're notorious for losing these here. What's up? Nope, you could do that yourself. That's it. We'll leave it like that. I act like I'm breaking that myself with the hammer, huh?